Hey there Titans, welcome to another video. In this video we'll show you how to add summary row/footer in your Power Table using Salesforce Data. What we'll do is we'll grab a Power Table and we'll bring back from Opportunity, and I'm going to write a simple condition where amount is not empty. And then what we'll do is we'll bring Opportunity name, amount, expected amount, like this. Once I've got my table, let's go ahead and do a quick preview here. Alright, so there's my amount and there's my expected amount, and it looks good. Now what you can do is under interactivity you've got something called summary row and footer. When you enable it, there are a few things you can do. First of all, the fields are on the left hand side, and you can basically add an entry like this. You can give it a footer, so I'm going to call this one total amount, the footer name. And then I can now do string if I want. I can do number, and I can choose different formats, and I can do even date and time. But this one I'm going to do number, and my format is going to be like this, and I can add a prefix or a postfix. So let's go ahead and show you what this looks like. Click save, click preview. And you can see that it's actually brought nothing back because we haven't added anything. So it's fine, but this is what the footer looks like. Now let's go into a bit more detail here, and let's say I want this to be a function. So let's say I choose function, and I'll say, you know what, I want to understand all the sum of those values under the amount. So I can choose number here, and I can again give it a prefix, and I'm going to show you how this works. So let's click preview, and you can see it's done sum of all that amount in there. Now you can do that on multiple fields, but you can also add multiple entries. So this one, I can give it a static value. I can say amount total amount, and again you can choose string, and you can choose many different masks that are available. So click apply, click save, and you can even move them up and down. In this case I've kind of done it like this, but it's fine. You can see there's like my footer, and then there is the amount, like that. So you can do it like this. Next up, you can also, let's say we go over here, let's choose name, let's add something there. We'll add a little footer, we'll say total records, and then in this one I'll do a function, and I'll say again bring me number, not worried about the formats here, but I'll say count of records. So I'll click save, click preview, and you can see 20 records. This is the total amount, and that's how you do it. That's how you bring back the summary row and footer. You can do multiple formulas like I've shown you. If you wanted to style it, you can click on the style icon and go ahead and modify your footers that way. But yeah, this is how it's done.